Alright, I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing a PRV shallow mount, 250 watts, 6.5. Alright, let me show y'all which model is the 6MR250B-SLIM. It's the 6.5 inch mid-range bullets loudspeaker. It's the slim design of y'all, as y'all see there on the box, in my previous video as well. And you got the other ones that come in different sizes, shallow and regular size, whatnot. These are for when you don't have much space to mount. I told y'all I'll let y'all hear this play. This is with no tuning, nothing fancy. It's just raw, sound. If you get a good tune or whatnot, DSP, EQ, or even your head unit, you can make these sound so much better. But let y'all hear this play, and we're gonna go ahead and get it started. All right, we're gonna start out low, right?
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Sound pretty good for a shallow mount speaker, I think. Don't you think so? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna change the song on this one. Try another song. We're gonna start out low and then we're gonna come up with the song with the volume.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back.
Alright, we're gonna push to 25 and see what we get.
Want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible.
That's loud. Yeah. That's loud. Good. It's clear too. At 25, for it to be at the volume it sounded pretty good. I don't even know the price of this speaker at the time. Be sure to go to prvaudio.com.
I want to say 80 something dollars.
On the Shadow Mountain?
No. 40, it might be 40 something. Anywhere from 30 to 40.
Yeah, go ahead on over there at prvaudio.com and check that out. And be sure to like and subscribe here on this video. Share the video and hit the notification bell, because a lot of times you may not know when I release a video. So be sure to share this video and go on Instagram, follow me on there, and BASSWITHKEV.com, BASSWITHKEV. Follow PRV Audio, and be sure to contact them for some of the good service that they do give. I'm trying to figure out which one of these speakers to install in my truck. Y'all leave the comments down below what y'all think. Y'all let me know what y'all's opinion would be on this subject here and what I should do. And be sure to check these out. I'll see y'all back on the next one.